From sunrise to sunset, we paint our faces to face the world. The truest expression of how we want to present ourselves happens alone, in the quiet hours of the soft light behind our brush, with each stroke bringing us closer to confidence, connecting us to our tribe, and grounding us in our daily beauty rituals. Adorning our faces with the sanctified colors found on Mother Earth, with shades of sandstone, bark, tourmaline, terracotta, and sandalwood. These natural tones are intended to shape, sculpt, define, and line, exploring light and dark to enhance who we are, all while bringing you into alignment with your highest expression of your personal beauty. These grounding moments are for you. It's divine time to look in the mirror and remind yourself of your exquisiteness. This is Groundwork, and these are your sacred grounding rituals.